Maruti Suzuki will hike vehicle prices by up to 4% from April to offset the impact of rising input costs. This would be the third time that the company has increased the cost of its vehicles this year. Tata Motors has also announced that it will hike prices by up to 2% for commercial vehicles. Sudarshan Kumar is joining us now with more details. Sudarshan.
Two auto companies that have announced price increase today are Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors. Maruti Suzuki has announced a price increase by up to 4% and that would be effective April 1. And Tata Motors has announced a price increase by up to 2% for its commercial vehicle segment, and this too will be effective April 1. So first talking about Maruti, it's the third price hike in the recent past. The first price hike recently was announced by Maruti in December 2024, which was effective January 1, and the second price increase announced in January was effective Feb, and today's price increase announcement will be effective April 1, and the price increase by Maruti has been by up to 4% each in the last 3 times that company has taken a price increase. So why the price hike has been taken by these companies? As per companies, price has increased for certain products, and that's the reason these companies have taken a price increase. But the question is, apart from an increase in price of certain products, are the falling sales also one of the reasons of the price increase? Because if you look at the February wholesale data, sales were largely below estimates, especially for the entry-level segment, not only for four-wheelers but also for two-wheelers. Especially for Maruti, Espresso and Alto's sales in February wholesales were down 30% each. Now, retail data for the first 2 weeks of March also suggests that demand remains under pressure. Now, talking the segment-wise, in the first 2 weeks of March, registration of two-wheelers has been down 16%. For passenger vehicles, registration is down 22%. And for commercial vehicles, it's down 15%. Now, company-specific data for Hero Moto and Bajaj Auto, registration is down in the range of 14 to 17%, while for TVS Motor, it's flat, and Royal Enfield has seen a minor increase of 2%. In the passenger vehicle space, Maruti, Tata Motors and Hyundai have seen a decline in the registration in the range of 24 to 32%, with Tata Motors being the biggest underperformer, and for M&M the decline is 8%. In the CV space, similar trend was seen. Tata Motors has seen a decline of 14%, and Ashok Leyland, it's a decline of 11%. So we'll have to see how the next 2 weeks pan out. Also, if other companies too follow Tata Motors and Maruti and announce a price increase.
Now, shares of Ola Electric tanked 8%